everybody. Welcome to Maui Karen Ann. I'm going to try something different again today. I hope you enjoy it. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all your comments. So please feel free to use comments. This looks like it's not very even, but I actually used the leveler and it is level. So I may spin it a little bit, so I have it on my spinner. So let's get started. Let's do some painting today. First of all, I'm going to use DECO Art Dioxazine Purple. I always have trouble saying that one. DECO Art Lavender Frost. DECO Art Baby Pink. So I'm definitely thinking of springtime. We're supposed to have snow tomorrow in Colorado, so anyway, then DECO Art Mint Green, and this is ready to pour, so I don't mix anything. And this is a combination. This is DECO Art Sky Blue Topaz, and DECO Art Emerald, and DECO Art White Pearl that I've mixed together. This is just my usual titanium white for the background. So I may also use, I forgot, Artist Loft Silver. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to blow this out. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of spinning too, if I get out of the way, huh? All right, thank you. Enjoy. Please leave a comment. Mahalo for watching. I appreciate it so much. And again, thank you for subscribing and leaving comments. Aloha.